Because that time when I do my first show, I had to join Tinda to set table. Don't be joko. Comedy for woman, not easy for. I joined Tinda. When you come book me, once I reach your hotel room, I'll give you ticket. Either you buy ticket or I call your wife. That's why they set table. But shout out to all these men, all these one they tell me, say, where are you? Bring your ticket. I almost do hook up. So Skywise at all, because at the end of the day, this one no go pay me and no. The way you say, hey, Jesus. You go pick and you go pick this money. Make I send you message. The children of Israelites need to apologize to Pharaoh. Yes, now, because what they see, not rich what they see here now. Chicken Republic now, they say goat meat. Hunger in the land. Now because they beg everybody, mind where you keep your organ. Get whenever shop 5 days, you go put prick for your mouth. Now suya na. When I take risk, if you're a woman here, please celebrate yourself. It's not really easy to be a woman. I make my next life. I thought say it's space not there for man. I'd rather be man snake or man goat. Or man fowl. It's not easy. You know why they see us women? You fat, no problem. You slim, no problem. As I say I fat, that one laugh. You remember my past. That time, if you say once I enter inside bank, the security dog will shout one at a time.